Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we take one batter every week and make a delicious, scrumptious muffin because we love muffins. Hello, welcome back to Muffins Galore. And today is a great day because we're going to be making muffins. Today we'll be making some coffee cream muffin with a little bit of chocolate on top. That's the muffin of the day. So, guys, it's coffee. And what I'd like to tell you is that if you're not a coffee person, you can use coffee alternative. It works just fine. It tastes the same. The results are the same. Here I've got this one. It's called Cafe Lib. And it tastes exactly. I drink this at night because if I drink regular coffee at night, I never sleep. And this is what I use. This is a regular coffee, just a Nescafe Gold that I'm using today. But if you don't take coffee, it's okay to use a coffee alternative. It works just fine. So, okay, guys, we are going to get into this right now. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so we'll get into our muffin making today. And in the bowl here, I've got cream cheese. I am going to cream the cream cheese out with the sugar. And we're just going to give it a little, get it smooth. Make sure you don't see, when you're done, you don't see any cream cheese visible. You want to get it as smooth as possible. Okay, excellent. Then we're going to add our melted butter. There we go. And we're just going to combine this now. And mix this down, combine it. Combine it till we're not really seeing any oil visible, like everything is incorporated. That's what you want. All right. Then let's add our eggs. We're adding our egg here. Egg in, and we're gonna get this all mixed in. Then guys, we're gonna add our flour. Start adding our flour. It has everything in. It has a baking powder, has a bit of salt. Okay guys, so we are gonna add our coffee to this. And then we're going to add the remaining of our flour. Ooh, smells so good with the coffee. Oh, wow. Let's add the remaining of the flour. And let's add some cinnamon. Sorry, not cinnamon, nutmeg. We use nutmeg in this one. And a little bit of almond extract because almond goes well with coffee. So we add just a small amount. And we will mix and mix and mix. And then don't forget our milk. Don't forget the milk. All right. And we'll just incorporate everything now to get a lovely batter. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And smelling delicious. This coffee is great. Ooh. So guys, I'm going to put this in the muffin. I'm going to get the muffin pan. Then I come right back. And then I'm going to top it with the chocolate. And you're going to see how it looks. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put the muffin into the muffin tin now. And then we are going to top it with some chocolate. I keep saying how this just smells amazing. And it does. I guess because I love coffee. I really love coffee. So, of course, it's going to be extra special to me. But it's just delicious smelling. Oh. And I tasted it. And it tastes so good. Oh. Muffins are so great. I don't know. Muffins are just amazing. Absolutely. There's so much you could do with a muffin. The variety is endless. And that's why I thought this channel would be perfect to showcase all the varieties of muffin that you can do. Okay, guys, I'm topping it with chocolate now. Just topping it nicely with chocolate. All right. Here we go. And guys, I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'll be back with the finished